Hello friends, this is Universe channel and in this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 headphone jack not working or earphones are not connecting problem. So first of all, just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix headphone jack not working or earphones are not connecting problem in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, simply first of all just tap on settings and now follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video and just watch complete video. Hope so this will fix your problem.